Go to your Outlook and click the settings icon. In settings, select account settings, select signatures, click on add signature, rename the signature, and this is the signature box. Now go ahead and write your signature in this field. We can see here is total 2 different options to make a new signature. One is format text and another is insert. From this insert tab, you can add a link to your signature. You can add pictures to your signature. Also, you can add a table. So I'm selecting here insert, and then first of all, I'm going to inserting my logo here. So this is my logo. Now you can resize your logo just like this, horizontally and vertically. Once you added your logo or image, now go to format text box, and here you will be able to add your text. So add your text and customize your text from these options. You can select any text and then you will be able to make the text bold. You can change your text color as well from here. And now here, if you want to set this signature default for all of your new emails or messages, you can just check this option. You can also set default for replies and forwards option by checking this option. Now click on save. And here we can see the signature successfully created. Now if you want, you can add more signatures by clicking here. Now let's see how to import signature. So I'm clicking on new mail, and we can see the signature, default signature automatically add date. Thanks for watching.